Push-ups might look simple, but when done with the right variations, they can unlock serious strength and muscle growth. Today, I'm taking you through 4 powerful push-up variations that target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Each exercise is 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and we'll repeat them for 3 challenging rounds: standard, incline, and decline. Let's go! First up, the classic standard push-up. This move works your chest, triceps, and core all at once. It's the foundation for upper body strength, building endurance and stability. Keep your body straight, lower with control, and push strong. Rest for 20 seconds, then move on to wide push-ups. Next, we've got wide push-ups. By placing your hands further apart, you increase the stretch and activation in your outer chest and shoulders. This variation builds a broad, powerful chest while keeping your core engaged. Rest for 20 seconds, then move on to diamond push-ups. Now it's time for diamond push-ups. Place your hands close together under your chest, forming a diamond shape. This puts the focus on your triceps and inner chest, making them one of the best push-up variations for arm strength and definition. Rest for 20 seconds, then move on to hold push-ups. And now, the killer, hold push-ups. Lower yourself to the bottom position and hold. This is an isometric exercise that builds stability, endurance, and insane time under tension in your chest, shoulders, and arms. It will test your strength and your mental toughness. Rest for 20 seconds, then move on to round 2 with the incline variations. If you are looking for a good, ready-made protein shake, then I highly recommend Premier Protein Shakes. Each bottle has 30 grams of protein, 24 essential vitamins and minerals, 160 calories, and no added sugar. They come in great flavors such as strawberries and cream, vanilla, cookies and cream, and other delicious flavors. Get yours today by clicking the link in the description below. For round 2, we will be doing the same 4 push-ups in the incline position. Grab a sturdy bench or box for elevation. Incline standard push-ups. Do this for 20 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. This is an easier variation with less body weight load. Good for beginners or endurance work. Rest for 20 seconds, then we will move on to incline wide push-ups. Do the incline wide push-ups for 20 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. Place your hands wider than shoulder width and keep your core tight. This is great for chest expansion and shoulder engagement with reduced difficulty. Rest for 20 seconds, then we will move on to incline diamond push-ups. Do the incline diamond push-ups for 20 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. Triceps are still dominant with this exercise, but because of the elevation, they carry less load. More accessible than floor diamonds, making them excellent for building up to the harder version. Rest for 20 seconds, then we will move on to incline hold push-ups. Do the incline hold push-ups for 20 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. Go down into the hold push-up and hold this up to 10 seconds and repeat for the remaining time. Builds endurance and control, but easier on your joints compared to the flat and decline holds. Rest for 20 seconds. Then we will move on to round 3 for the decline variations. We will finish off this workout with round 3 in a declined angle. Use the same sturdy bench or box for these. Do the decline push-ups for 20 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. It's important to keep your core tight and don't let your hips sag. More demanding than standard push-ups, great for chest and shoulder development. Rest for 20 seconds, then we will move on to decline wide push-ups. Do the decline wide push-ups for 20 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. These increase chest stretch at the top angle, excellent for upper chest width and power.
Trust me, we just getting started. The sound, the vibe, I feel so alive. I'm only here for the body. Trust me, we just getting started.
Rest for 20 seconds, then we will move on to decline diamond push-ups. Do the decline diamond push-ups for 20 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. There is a much more heavier load on your triceps as your feet are elevated. I suggest opening your feet a bit for better stability. A serious triceps and inner chest builder, very advanced compared to incline or flat diamonds. Rest for 20 seconds, then we will move on to the last exercise, the decline hold push-up. Do the decline hold push-ups for 20 seconds. Hold the bottom of the push-up for up to 10 seconds and repeat for the remaining time. Build strength endurance in chest and shoulders, plus mental toughness. And that's your 4 push-up workout: standard, wide, diamond, and hold push-ups, taken through 3 progressive rounds: standard, incline, and decline. Together, these variations target every angle of your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. Master these moves, and you'll build a solid, powerful, and balanced upper body with nothing but your own body weight. Stick with it, and your push-up game as well as your strength will skyrocket. If you found this workout challenging, drop a comment below with how many rounds you completed, hit that like button, and subscribe for more bodyweight training workouts. See you in the next one.